Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be making chicken ratatouille. Ratatouille is a classic French stewed vegetable dish, celebrated not only for its vibrant flavors, but also for its nutritional richness. By adding chicken to this traditional dish, we not only boost the protein content, but also create a satisfying, diabetic-friendly meal that supports overall health. Here's how to make this delicious and healthful chicken ratatouille, perfect for anyone looking for a nutritious meal option. Ingredients: chicken breast, 2 large breasts, boneless and skinless, about 500 grams. Eggplant, 1 medium cubed. Zucchini, 2 medium cubed. Bell peppers, 1 red and 1 yellow, chopped into bite-sized pieces. Onion, 1 large, finely chopped. Garlic, 4 cloves, minced. Tomatoes, 4 large ripe tomatoes, chopped, or 1 can, 400 grams of diced tomatoes. Tomato paste, 2 tablespoons. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Fresh basil, 1/4 cup chopped. Fresh thyme, 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon dried. Bay leaves, 2 leaves. Salt and pepper to taste. Optional, red pepper flakes for a spicy kick. Instructions: 1. Prepare the ingredients. Wash and chop all the vegetables. Cut the chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. 2. Sauté the chicken. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add the chicken pieces, season with salt and pepper, and cook until lightly browned and cooked through, about 5-7 minutes. Remove from the pan and set aside. 3. Cook the vegetables. In the same pan, add another tablespoon of olive oil. Sauté the onions and garlic until they become translucent. Add the eggplant, zucchini, and bell peppers, cooking until they start to soften. 4. Combine and simmer. Return the chicken to the pan. Add the tomatoes, tomato paste, basil, thyme, bay leaves, and if using, red pepper flakes. Stir well to combine. Reduce the heat to low and let the ratatouille simmer for about 20-25 minutes until the vegetables are tender and the flavors have melded together. 5. Final seasoning. Remove the bay leaves, taste, and adjust the seasoning with more salt and pepper if needed. 6. Serve. Serve this hearty dish warm. It pairs wonderfully with a side of whole grain bread or over a bed of cooked quinoa for an extra protein boost. Health benefits: low in calories, high in nutrients. Chicken ratatouille is packed with vegetables, making it low in calories but high in dietary fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. The variety of vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, and eggplant offer a wide range of nutrients that are essential for maintaining good health. Diabetes-friendly. This dish is rich in fiber, which helps to slow down the digestion of sugars, thereby helping to control blood sugar levels. The lean protein from the chicken also aids in blood sugar regulation, making it an excellent meal option for diabetics. Heart-healthy olive oil is a great source of monounsaturated fats, which are known to reduce levels of bad cholesterol in your blood and decrease the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, the natural antioxidants in this dish help protect the heart. Weight management. Due to its high fiber content and lean protein, this dish can be particularly satisfying without being overly caloric, supporting weight management goals. This chicken ratatouille is not only a feast for your taste buds, but also a boon for your health. Whether you are diabetic or just looking for a hearty, healthy meal, this dish checks all the boxes. Enjoy the melding of flavors and the multitude of health benefits with every bite. If you enjoyed watching this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.